Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to change My Safe Search settings in Windows 11. Windows 11 comes with built-in search feature that lets you search and find help content, apps, files, and folders, settings, and quick answers from the web, like weather reports, stock prices, currency converter, and much more directly from the taskbar or Start menu. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Privacy and Security from the left side list. Go to Search Permissions. Look for Safe Search. You have three options: Strict, Moderate, and Off. Check the option that you need. Strict will filter out adult text, images, and videos from web results. Moderate will filter adult images and photos, but not text. Off will not filter any adult content. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!